My name is Alessandro Talevi, and I'm the director of Anna Bolena and Roberto Devereux. So now we're in week 2 of rehearsals, and then when rehearsals start, that's obviously when you bring the singers in and you find out if the ideas that you've had all along are actually going to work or not. So there's an element of the unknown. I have a pretty clear idea about how I think it should go, but they also have an idea, and at the end of the day, the most interesting characterizations are those when the singer really feels like he or she owns the role. So that's the part of the process we are in at the moment in the rehearsal room here. What I'm aiming for is something which is not stand and deliver, because what happens with bel canto very often, because the singing is such an important aspect of it, is that everything revolves around the singers being able to sing these extremely difficult lines. But what I'm trying to do, without fighting against it, is add the dimension of a very real and living and moving sort of drama, physical drama. So I think that's something that hopefully will be picked up on in the performances.